everyone and welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, I will teach you how you can create an AI assistant WhatsApp chatbot that is going to automate your WhatsApp inquiry solving process. Now, whenever by any of the leads you will receive any of the questions or doubts on WhatsApp, automatically this AI assistant that I've created is going to resolve all those questions then and there any time of the day. Now, you can create this amazing bot without need of any coding and programming skills, and in this video, I will teach you how you can create this bot for no cost. Absolutely for free. Okay, so without wasting any further time, I will first show you how this WhatsApp chatbot is going to resolve the queries in my business. Okay, so I will ask certain questions to this bot from my phone number and show you the screen of my phone. Okay, so let me show you the screen. So this is the bot that I've created, and to this first bot, my first question is going to be, so my first question is, what is your business all about? Okay, so I will ask this first question towards this bot that I have created. It will take few seconds for the assistant to give reply back to me, so I will wait over here for few seconds to receive the reply. I have received the reply right here, and the reply is, Urban Weave Clothing Co. is a B2B wholesale apparel manufacturer and distributor that supplies ready-made garments and to retailers, resellers across India. We don't sell to individual customers. Our customers are shop owners, boutiques, online resellers, franchise operators, corporate buyers, and other institutional buyers. Okay, so I have received this reply from this bot. My next question is, do you have clothing for women, and what is the minimum quantity that I can order? Okay, so this is my next question I'm going to ask towards this AI assistant. So I will wait for the reply. I have received the reply. Yes, we carry full women's range including kurtis, kurti sets, casual office, party dresses, and court sets. You can see over here the minimum quantity order is 20 pieces per design. Allowed size mixing, design mixing, trial orders are supported. So I've received this reply right over here. My next question is, can I custom design any of the outfits? So this is my next question I'm asking towards this bot. Okay, I will wait for the reply. I have received the reply. The reply is, yes, we offer customization and private label services. We customize neck label printing, woven labels, hang tags, embroidery, screen printing, and custom packaging. Okay, so I am receiving all the replies from this AI assistant. So this is how this AI assistant is automatically resolve your leads or clients' inquiries on WhatsApp as well. And you can create this amazing AI assistant without need of any coding and programming skills using Pabbly Chatflow. Okay, now in order to access Pabbly Chatflow, you have to open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/chatflow, and Pabbly Chatflow's landing page is going to appear in front of you. So after coming to the landing page, you will find two options right here, sign in or sign up for free. Now if you're a new user, you don't have an account with Pabbly or first time logging in, sign up for free from here, with the help of which you will get 100 free credits every month to explore more features of Pabbly Chatflow and check out how it works. Okay, and if you like using Pabbly Chatflow and you want to automate your WhatsApp conversations in your business as well, you are looking forward to purchase our yearly or lifetime deals, then there's a secret code I have for you. Check out the code that I've added on the left corner and added the same code in the description section, with the help of which you can get instant discounts on the yearly and lifetime deals with Pabbly. Okay, so go use the code, purchase our plans, and automate your WhatsApp conversations. Okay, now I'm already a user, so I will sign in from here directly. After signing in, you will see the All Pabbly Apps section. As I want to use Pabbly Chatflow, I will click on this Access Now button. Pabbly Chatflow's dashboard is then going to appear in front of you. Now if you want to learn how you can set up your Pabbly Chatflow account, how you can add your number inside Pabbly Chatflow, what are the features and how the features works, you can check out all the video links in the description section below, with the help of which you will learn what Pabbly Chatflow is all about. Okay, first check out those videos, set up your account, and come back to this video and create this amazing WhatsApp chatbot AI bot. Okay, now to create an AI assistant, from the panel go towards this AI assistant section right over here. After coming to this section, go to this add AI assistant button to create a new AI assistant. Okay, and for the name of this assistant, I will give it as create a WhatsApp AI chatbot for free, no code tutorial. Okay, click on this add AI assistant button and the assistant is going to be added inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. Now there are certain sections that you need to complete in order to create this AI assistant. First section is AI instructions, under which select the instruction type first. I will select my type as AI agent right here. Okay, next is instructions. Now according to your business, you have to add your AI instructions, roles and responsibilities in this section. You can add or eliminate any other points over here according to your requirement. Okay, next is AI configuration, under which first is temperature. Temperature is a range between 0 and 1. 0 being very focused replies and 1 being creative replies from this assistant to our users. I will select the temperature as 0.5 as I want both creative and focused replies. Okay. Next is select AI to use. Currently we have only one option of OpenAI, so I will select that. And then for the model, I will select it as GPT-5 mini. You can select the OpenAI model according to your requirement. Okay. Next, it is asking for the API key. The API key that we will add over here in this field, we'll receive it from our OpenAI account. For that, directly go towards this hyperlink and you will log into your OpenAI account next, where you will come to the API keys page directly. Okay. Remember one thing, you need to have a paid account with OpenAI in order to create the AI assistant using Pabbly Chatflow. Unpaid account won't be able to reply to all your users' queries. Okay. So I will add the key from here, name the key. Let's suppose I will write it as new key as the name. And then for the project, I'll select default permissions as all. Then I will add the key from here, copy the key code, paste over here in the field, click on this connect button. Okay. Now after adding the key, next it is asking for the assistant settings. If you want the header and footer should be added on the messages that this assistant is forwarding, you can add the header footer by toggling the button on. If you want to add in some stop keywords, you can toggle the button on and add the stop keywords. If you want to add the retry attempt, this is the option for you. Last is fallback message. This message you can edit it from here. This message is only going to be forwarded if this API key that you've entered is not working, there is no response by the key. Then only this message will be forwarded. Okay. Now next it is asking for the knowledge source. Now what is this knowledge source? Knowledge source is a very important document that trains your AI. Yes, the assistant that you're creating is going to learn about your business through this knowledge source, because then only the AI can resolve the queries. Okay. So in this knowledge source, knowledge base, you have to enter every single thing about your business. What is the business, vision, mission, products, services, prices, all the things that you want this assistant should know and reply to the queries. You have to add those details in this AI assistant. The assistant is going to learn through the document and reply to the queries using this document. Okay, so I have created one. I will upload the document from here. So this is the document. I will upload it. My business name is Urban Weave Clothing Co. It's a wholesale clothing manufacturer and distributor business. Okay, I've added that knowledge base. You can see the base over here in the knowledge sources section. You will see the vector ID in your base. That means the base has been uploaded successfully. Next two sections are assistant interface and styling. These two sections are required for those businesses who are adding this assistant on their website. You can add this assistant on your website as well, just like this. Okay. Now, if you want to change the name and add your brand name right over here, my brand name is what? It's Urban Weave Clothing Co. So what I will do is I will add the brand name right here. Okay. If you want to change the subheading, initial message, disable the powered by Pabbly, add a footer text link right over here. You can add all these details from this assistant interface section. Now, next is user's first message. This message will be sent to WhatsApp as an initial message from your user. So let's suppose your user is directly contacting on WhatsApp, not from the website. What is the initial message that you will receive first from the user's end? You have to write that message in this field. I will skip that part. Okay. Next, it is asking for the styling. Now, if you have a business, you might have your own colors and brandings, right? If you want to change the theme of this bot, if you want to change the shape, colors, profile picture, assistant picture and the background picture, you can definitely do that from the styling section according to your brandings, like what your brand is. Okay, so now this assistant has been created successfully. This is how simple it is to create an assistant using Pabbly Chatflow. Okay, toggle the button on and save the assistant from here to activate this, and as soon as you will see it says assistant saved, that means this assistant has now been created. Okay, as now if you want to add this assistant on the website, go to embedded, you will find a script, copy the script from here, add it on your website code, and the website will have the assistant for you. Okay, so now as this assistant has been created, now I will test this assistant again by asking the questions on WhatsApp to this assistant from my phone, sharing you the screen of what kind of replies I am receiving from this assistant. So let me share you the screen right now. So this is the assistant, and my first question towards this assistant is, so my first question is, do you manufacture kids clothing? Okay, so this is my first question I'm asking towards this AI assistant. I will wait for the reply. I have received the reply. Based on available information, Urban Weave documented product portfolio does not include kids clothing. The company lists men's, women's and unisex season apparels, t-shirts, shirts, hoodies, kurtis, dresses, corsets, but no children lines are mentioned. Okay, so no, it doesn't manufacture kids garments. So I will ask my next question, that is, My next question is, if I have to order 500 plus quantity number of kurta for men, how many days in advance should I order? Okay, so this is my next question I'm asking towards this bot. I will wait for the reply right now. Good question. It depends on whether you want ready stock unbranded kurtas or made to run order, especially when it's customization. Ready stock over here, I have to confirm it once accepted in typical 4-5 days. Metro delivery is 3 to 5 days. Non-metro delivery is 5 to 8 days. Okay. Made to order customization, likely 500 units. Our orders followed. It should be ordered in 10 to 15 days. Large orders pricing is handled as customer quota and advance booking is recommended. Add shipping time as 3 to 8 days depending on the location. Okay. Now you can see right over here, I have received the reply to this question what I wanted to ask. Now as I've received the reply, this is how this assistant is going to help your leads and clients as well. I have taken the example of a manufacturer, clothing manufacturer business in this video. For any kind of businesses, you can create this assistant, whether it's a real estate agency, a coaching institute, you have a skincare brand, a makeup brand, or any other sort of businesses, you can create this assistant to automate your WhatsApp query solving in your business as well. Okay. Now, if you want, this assistant should be automatically enabled to all the people who are asking questions directly on WhatsApp. If you want, this assistant should be automatically enabled on all of their chats. For that, simply go to settings option and go towards this inbox settings section. After coming to inbox settings, scroll down till the end, toggle the button on of this enable AI auto responses, select the contact list to whom you want to automatically enable this WhatsApp bot to, and then select the assistant that you want to automatically enable. Okay, after selecting this right over here, save the button over here, and to the contact list this bot will be auto assigned. Okay, so this is how you can auto assign the assistant. So as now I've created this AI assistant successfully, so now this AI assistant, WhatsApp chatbot AI assistant, has been created. Now you will have your WhatsApp queries automated and you can create this assistant to resolve queries 24/7 in your business without need of any coding and programming skills. Now as you will receive 100 credits every month, you can create this assistant absolutely for free and test it out from your end as well. For that, sign up in Pabbly Chatflow and you can create the bot then and there. Okay, so this is how you can create assistant with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have questions or doubts related to this workflow, the entire video that I've created, you can ask us all the questions in the comment section and we will reply to you as soon as possible. So this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Not only this WhatsApp chatbot, you can create multiple other bots using Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any questions, you can email us on support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can send us queries on forum.pabbly.com. If you have any Pabbly Chatflow pricing related issue, you can check out this link. If you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel, comment down below if you have any questions, and please do share this video.